So if you have your A7 V and you're wondering how to update your firmware, then this is the video for you. All right, so Sony came out with an update for the Sony A7 V, which is version 1.01. If I look inside my camera here, I'm just going to turn it on. And all I'm going to do is just go to settings, go all the way down. And then we'll have settings options right there. All right, and then you're going to go to version. You're going to see body and lens. Just click on body, and you're going to see I have version 1.00. And like I mentioned, I'm updating to version 1.01 because that's the only one that they have out right now. What I'm going to also do is make sure that you do these things before you actually do your update. First, you want to make sure that you have a fresh battery that's up to 100%. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to press the menu. You're going to go all the way out, and then you're going to go over here to where you see that little globe, that green right there. You're going to click on that. You're going to make sure that you control this setting right here, right down here. This setting, you need to have it off, right? If you go back and then you go down to Wi-Fi, you need to make sure that Wi-Fi Connect is also off. Once you have done that, you're going to turn the camera off. Once you turn it off, and then remove the battery. All right, once you remove the battery, you're pretty much going to go in and you turn on, you can pretty much turn on the camera. The next thing you need to do is you're going to go to the Sony website. I'll have a link in the description where you can go and download the actual file itself. Once you have downloaded the file, you're going to locate it wherever you have your default location for your downloads. You're going to copy that file to a fresh SD card. Make sure you format the card first. Once you have done that, you're going to copy that file over to the main section of the SD card. You don't want to put it in any folder. You're just going to drop it on the main. Once that happens now, I do have my card on the inside. All right. Now I'm going to just turn it on. And remember where we go and look for the version, we're going to go straight back there. So all I'm going to do is just click on that, come over, and then go all the way down to settings options. We're going to find version, body. And if you notice now, you're going to see this highlight for software updates. All right. Now, all you need to do is click on it. It's going to explain to you what's going to be happening. You can read through all of that. Once that happens, you're going to click on the left, just press the left, and then now you just click on execute. And all I'm going to pretty much do is click on execute. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. You notice that the light right here is flashing, as you can see right there. And you can see the screen right there. All right. I'm just going to let it do its thing. This is actually pretty new because before, when I do it on the 4, you don't really see like a percentage happening. You just saw the light flashing, and that was pretty much it. You don't know if it's working or it's not working, which I think is pretty good. And it seems to be going pretty fast. It's at 30% so far. So I'll come back when the process is actually finished. All right, so it says complete. So that took about almost 2 minutes to actually complete. You can see that the camera is actually booting back up, and it says body update complete. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna click on the OK, and then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to version, then body. As you can see right there, version 1.01. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how simple it is. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll help you guys out as much as I possibly can. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.